Right, good morning everyone, and welcome back to our another video. Good morning, people. So, what we have here today? So, in today's video, we'll be uh, taking off this door panel, the mirror of this 2020 Ferrari F8 Tributo. So, right, to take off the panel, you're gonna have to take off this screw. One screw here, Allen key. So this will be 316 Allen key. The bigger one goes here. And then check this out. Fix my mic. So this is my mic right here. Let's fix this. Okay, and get this out. Smaller Allen key. This is, what number is this? 15. Oh, that's tough. Really stuck. So 2020 to 2023, they're all the same door panel. So same screws. So the only reason I'm taking this off is because we're doing PPF on this, not just tint. So there's also an option to do this with the PPF. You don't have to remove this. Just do a birthing method. So you can make a hole and then kind of shove it on that mirror. But this one, I have enough time, so I have to take this panel off. Right? So we're just gonna pull this out, and then boom. Right? So there are two wires that hold this. Since two wire, and unplug this wire, right, and slide these wires off. Right, let's come off. Set this aside. Right, then there are keys here. Okay. 1, 2. I guess it's one in the inside there, 3 underneath there. So where's my this? I'll get this out. So that is bigger ones. So that is T25. 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 Underneath there. Okay, bounce right off. Okay. Oh, there we go. Unplug the wire. So it goes there. Yeah. Alright, after the bottom part of the panels come off, here comes these screws. So there are so many screws holding to this one piece of panel. So same screws. This is a 316 screwdriver. So there are 9 screws holding to this piece. So taking them off one by one. There are different shape of screws. One is a T25. Two is T25, and the other one was the 32 mm. The biggest screw in this panel I've seen. So here comes the other one. So I'm just gonna use the adjustable wrench to loosen this screw out. So the look of this screw is pretty big, just to hold this panel. So this is the Ferrari thing. All right. There we go, inside there. They just hide it somewhere. So if you just kind of yank it, you're gonna break that. So make sure to check everything. Look at this, they just hide the screw, and the screw's underneath there. So here we go, and there's another screw behind the speaker. I'm gonna use my plastic tool. So I call this a universal tool because I can use this on tinting as well, but from time to time I don't really use it because it's plastic. I can use this as a pry tool as well. So look at that, panel just pops right off, and plug the wire, and 2 different screws here. So one is the 316 Allen key, and the other one is T25 Torx. This is a Ferrari thing. So, and after this, yeah, panel just comes right off. Alright. Just pops right up. That's pretty much it. Just slide that out, and boom, panel is off. So set that aside. Then after that, let's remove this speaker. So the only reason we're taking this off is for us to access the mirror. There are 3 nuts that holds the mirror. This is 10 mil. There we go. So it's always better if you have someone to hold the mirror. You don't want to loosen it out and then no one's holding there and accidentally drop the mirror. So from here I'm just gonna fast forward. So I don't want to waste much of your time, so I'm just gonna fast forward the video. So it's pretty much the same process. Loosen the nuts and then it all came off. And after that, we'll proceed with the PPF job. So in our next video, I will be uploading PPF job on one of the panel of this Ferrari. So which is the trunk or the spoiler. The spoiler, I'm just gonna do it in one piece. So stay tuned for that video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the ring bell so you will be notified when we uploaded that next video. So, look at this, it's all come off and we're good to go. Alright, so this is the piece. I'm gonna do that in one piece. Alright, thank you guys for watching and see you on our next video. Bye bye.